Good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2020 Health Education Past Question 3. Which of the following best describes growth? A. Increase in number of cells. B. Increase in cellular metabolism. C. Cell enlargement. D. Cell division, elongation, and specialization. And E. Cell division. Now the question is, which of the following best describes growth? Now, growth is defined as a permanent increase in size and complexity of an organism or individual during development. Now, this is growth. Now, what brings about growth? Growth is as a result of one, cell division, that is the multiplication of cells, be it what mitosis or meiosis, that is be it mitotic or meiotic cell division. Next, after cell division is what? Cell elongation or cell enlargement. Now, this cell elongation simply what describes the ability of these was divided cells, that is the daughter cells that are as a result of cell division, the ability to what to increase in size, that is cell elongation or enlargement. Then after cell elongation enlargement, the next is what? Cell specialization. Cell specialization, that is the ability of these what cells to specialize, that is to give rise to what different kind of cells, ability of these what daughter cells to give rise to different kind of cells, that is cell specialization. And these three components brings about growth: cell division, elongation, and specialization. And so therefore we can say that growth is best described as what? As cell division, cell elongation, and cell specialization, since these three components give rise to growth. And that is option D. So the correct answer to this question is option D. We can describe growth as cell division, elongation, and specialization. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.